Mastering the phrase, palm up, in English. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a common English phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Palm up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. So, let's get started. The phrase, palm up, is quite literal in its meaning. It refers to the position of the hand. Let's break it down. Palm. The inner surface of the hand that lies between the wrist and fingers. It's the part you might use to give someone a high five. Up. A direction that is towards the sky or ceiling. So, when someone says, palm up, they are referring to a hand position where the inner surface of the hand, the palm, is facing upwards or towards the viewer. Imagine you're holding a bowl of soup. You'd have your hand palm up so as not to spill it. Now, knowing the literal meaning is great, but how is this phrase used in daily language? 1. Gestures. Someone might use it to indicate they want something from you. If someone extends their hand with their palm up, they might be asking for money, a high five, or something to be placed in their hand. 2. Directions. In exercises or dance, an instructor might say, now, with your palm up, reach towards the ceiling, indicating the specific position they want your hand in. 3. Descriptions. It's also used to describe scenes in literature or scripts. For instance, she held her hand palm up, waiting for the raindrops to fall onto her skin. Here are some common phrases or sentences where you might encounter the term. He held out his hand, palm up, signaling for her to stop. Here, it's a gesture asking someone to halt. With your palm up, rotate your wrist gently. This could be a direction given during a physical therapy session or an exercise routine. And there you have it. The phrase, palm up, is both a simple description of a hand position and a versatile term used in various contexts in the English language. We hope this breakdown helps you understand and use the phrase with confidence. Remember, language is all about context. So keep an eye, or palm, out for this phrase during your English journey. Happy learning!